I'm not really late about this whole thing, but at the same time, there's nothing called out of date. In photography, there's nothing called out of date. So even though it's 10 months, 1 year, doesn't matter. I'm not going to be the only one doing this kind of a thing today, but at the same time, take it from someone never tried this camera before at all. And this is where it's going to become fun. And I just bought it and I wanted to do this. And then I said like, okay, I'm not the only one, of course. You know, there's a difference between when you do the only one thing and you're so proud of it. And there's a difference between you say like, okay, I'm not the only one. And can we make it spicy or not? And this is the fun thing. I never tried this camera before. I never opened it. I don't know what's in the box. So this is a real legit, loyal kind of unboxing for the camera. Not as someone reviewing the camera, but I'm experiencing and sharing my first time what to do with the camera. So this shows, it's a really good point. It shows that even though I'm a professional photographer and I love cameras and gears, and I know most of my cameras top to bottom, it comes a time that you still, even though for a very simple camera, you may not figure out from the first time. That's mean you really need to enjoy your tool, especially your camera. And it shows that, you know, even though you're a professional photographer, at the same time, someone handed you a camera, you still need to observe it. Unfortunately, a lot of people, especially photographers, have a big ego. Take a camera and say, yeah, I know what to do. And this is the problem. They do a lot of mistakes and they say like, no, it's okay, I'm managing. And everything is bad because they don't want to reveal that they failed. And I saw it in front of my eyes. The other day, a photographer took a camera from another person just to do this quick shooting and everything was so overexposed. The flash was off topic of the photography. So you can see what I mean, that it's nice, even though when you're a professional photographer, to know what to do. And when you know what to do and relax and be humble about your knowledge and education about photography, and this is how it makes you more experience. And at the end, they call it a master because you're mastering a lot of tools and cameras and passion about how to do things. And this is when you become one of these amazing photographer, not just how to take photos, but you know how to operate your tool to make you a great photographer. Let's get to this amazing unboxing. So you can see this is called Leica Sofort. So let's try to make it with a cool accent. It's Leica Sofort, maybe. I don't know if it works. So you can see that the price is still on it. You can see I really bought it. And I bought the black. Now we're gonna say like everybody have a black, blah, blah, blah. But the whole thing is the original colors are blue and yellow and white. And this came as like a special edition, I think. So I thought, even though it's black and I wanted to go with other colors, but I said like, this is a special edition. And I think it's written RT, like there is letters on it. Let's get to it. I don't want to bore you guys. I already made this kind of video too long. So you can see it's an instant camera. I think this is a fun camera. I never tried it at the store. I don't know what's going on. So it's really first unboxing thing. Isn't it amazing when people do unboxing? They start doing the cables and and what's inside, and they put the body on the side. It needs to be the last thing. Why people do these things? I don't understand. Manuals. We know that. You know that. We have a strap. I don't know if I'm gonna use it with this camera. Do you recommend people use it? I don't know. I think because it's gonna look like a purse in a way. I don't know. Let's figure it out. Okay. Now, let's get to the goodies. It's for the AC adapter. I'm not gonna bore you with all the things, because you know, I know what unboxing. So this is basically a charger for the battery, because I know from my knowledge, there is a battery involved and you need to charge it. So when you need to charge it, you need to be careful. Maybe we need another battery, or maybe this, but they told me this lasts for like a very good time. So this is the teeny tiny battery of the thing. I know it's hard for you guys to see, but I'm doing the same. It's my first time, so bear with me. And the box. It's a cute box. We keep it. We keep Leica boxes around. It's very straightforward business, huh? I mean, but it's cool to see what can you buy for a camera that you wanted to have. Damn, this is cool. This is cool. So you have all the Sofort thing. I don't know. I need to try to speak it in German. It's like Sofort. So you can see also here. It's a very cool camera, man. The problem is, will it operate? And it's a Leica original battery. This is a cool thing also. This is like nice. So you're buying everything branded. And this one I try to tell people, try to buy everything from the same brand and don't go off brand because you need to save $2 for something that doesn't make any sense. So try not to do these things. So we put the battery here, I guess. Okay. We close this. And we do on, and we don't have battery. Anyway, I wanted to take a shot. I was excited to take a shot. Damn it. Okay. Maybe it will work. No, the battery is really, that's it, off. Maybe we, this is so real, I swear to God. I put the battery like in the opposite way. And it's working and I have 1 bar left. I don't know, I don't want to say embarrassed, but I never opened the camera, I swear to God. And I don't know what's happening. And I'm gonna do probably a lot of mistakes. And I bought this Leica instant film color thing. I bought 2 packs because I know I'm already at the store where I need to go back and forth. Maybe I will buy 2. It comes, this is the pack of double, like 10-10. There is black and white. Now, I know there's another brand make this thing. Again, I don't want to mention any names or brands. I know there's another brand make this thing. They say it's cheaper, but at the same time, this is have maybe more better colors. So stick with the family. Just don't go all the way down to different things because of, you know, save $1. And it's your cameraman, it's your photos. And you bought this because you wanted something to be printed, right? So we are saying here, you need to put this on this. Let's not screw it up, huh? So we do this. So we take the film thing off and do I need to take more parts? Okay. I'm not gonna, you know, you can see it's a live video. Anyways, it just says you put the red, I'm sorry, you put the yellow thing, yellow next to the yellow. Okay. That's it. And we are in business. I think. And I don't have battery. Damn it. Well. And we have the first picture, or whatever this is, off. I want to take it. Okay, we have 10 shots. We have the modes, automatic, flash. Maybe I don't need a flash. Mode 10, okay. I want to take a quick picture of the camera itself, the one I'm shooting with right now, just to see what's happening. Okay, so this is how, shit. Okay, let's turn the camera off because I have no battery. So let's talk a little bit about this camera while I'll show you my beautiful SL that I'm shooting with. Now, you can see it's a very cute camera, very simple. You have a flash, you have the modes. I'm sure I don't want to bore you with all the specs because I'm actually telling you what is it online. So let's put this here. You have the Leica brand. It's not like the QP, imagine. And you have a little bit of a menu here for the fast mode, for the flash mode, for the run mode, for the night mode. You know, the modes, the normal modes. And you have the battery, where you put the battery. You have to take it off. I need to charge it. And you can see it's a very fun camera. I bought this not to replace anything. I bought this not to say, you know, I'm not gonna print anything anymore. You can see I have so many. So this is something a bit more close to you, you know? It's like, I don't want to use my phone anymore. I don't want to use something very digitally because of fun moments. I don't need to put, I love, you know, I don't have the Leica Q. I don't have like one of those small cameras like the Leica M where I can put it on my neck or something and it's like, okay, cheek, you know? The reason about this, because I said like, I want to have a little bit more fun in my life. I want to have like this kind of like instant action reaction results. And this is when I said like, you know, it's a cute camera. When I went to the store, I went to other stores to say hello to my friends and I told them I'm on my way to Leica to buy this camera. It's like, no, why didn't you buy this? This is like a digital screen and you can see everything you're doing and you know, you can just actually show it also to the person. You can save it on digital file. So they delusion me with the thoughts of stay with digital and don't go with the very kind of what you see is what you get. This is reminding me of the film. I'm from a film generation guy. We never had digital like today. So we stuck with films all the time. So this reminds me of, I really wasn't know what I'm gonna get from the camera. It's a film. I need to wait a few days or a few weeks. So, and this is close to my memory, you know. I'm not saying digital is bad. I'm not saying this will never replace this. No, we are a new generation. We are moving on in our life. And this is when comes a bit closer to you refreshing your memory and saying, hey, what's up? You remember when you used to shoot film with this XN camera and X camera? You remember when you used to like wait to see the photos printed? And this is what's happening. This is like the fun part. And look at this. Damn. This is my Leica SL filming me now. It's too hard to see because my focus it's just right to me. This is, man, this is cute and this is cool. The flash, it's hitting the body, so it's making a reflection. I'm a professional photographer and I didn't think about it. I thought it's gonna be very well done. So, I still learn. The end of this year, it will happen for me to be photographer for 20 years. So I'm still learning that sometimes in a reflective surfaces, flash can blow it away. And I did not know I'm not gonna see the Leica brand on the SL. But the look of it, it's so amazing. This is called, I love this shot. Damn. This is why I bought this camera. Just to look at the shot and say like, I love it. And there is cheaper versions from this. And I'm not saying you need to spend tons of money to get expensive gear and I'm gonna know a lot of people gonna say you can buy different brands, save money, do this, do that. This is not the point. This is not the video for these things. The whole point is enjoy what you do. Try not to put limit to yourself because you think you're saving X dollar or X amount of money on something to get something else. Believe me, whatever you think you're gonna be saving, you're gonna be spending it 10 times on something ridiculous. And I tried it. The other day I was saying like, I'm saving $50 in this thing. And then I spent almost $200 on something totally I don't need. I'm not trying to tell you that, you know, throw money, but sometimes because I was maybe selfish on the X thing I wanted to buy because of $50 more, but I spend on something stupid, $200 more. You know what I mean? You get one of these days that you don't want to go to a coffee shop because you know you're gonna spend $10 for a stupid coffee on Grosson and it's not worth it. but you go to McDonald's and you spend like $25. So you get the point. So just have fun, enjoy your photography, enjoy your passion, and sometimes there is a little room for something cool and something unique. And I don't want to call myself a fan. I don't want to call myself, you know, all these weird people names that they comment, and because, you know, YouTube is like full of these things. I just want to say that once you love a brand, you always follow what's next for you there, and it's not necessarily to be version 1, version 2, version 3, version 4. You have to follow up with all the versions, but pick what's the best for you in this brand that represent you, because this brand is giving you something you really like, and that's why you stuck with it, and that's why you are loyal to it, because of what they deliver to you. And it's something, just you like it or you don't like it. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Ramsey Spencer. I'm a fashion, editorial, advertising, lifestyle, nude, portrait, event photographer, because I don't know what to call myself anymore, because I do a lot of photography genres. But my specialty 100% is fashion, of course, and creativity, and, you know, because it's my love and it's what I do. But I'm very good at everything else, and this is when I try to expand my mind and my knowledge and a little bit of my gear toward these things, because this is what makes me stronger and a bit unique with my touch. Thank you for watching again. Please check my website, ramseyspencer.com. I will link it there on the bio. And also you can check my work, my editorials, my bio, everything you need to know, and enjoy it. And if you have any questions, please let me know, because I made a lot of videos about the SL. It's amazing, and I'm gonna make update number 2, because there's a lot of things going on about the SL. People keep asking me about it. I'm gonna make another video. I'm gonna make another video about the Q. I love the Q so much. I'm saving up for it. And I want to tell to everybody something. There is no need for SL2. There is no need for Q2. There is no need for everything to be number 2, 2, 2, 2 all the time. Especially the people are saying, I will wait for the next version. And this version already been for like 5 years, let's say, X amount. So it's been already 5 years. Just enjoy it, because whoever bought it from the first year, they're doing great, and they may not look for the second generation, for example. So stop with the version 2, stop with, you will save yourself for the version 2 and the 3 and the 4. Just go with what's there, because it's already good, and they won't make it that good for all these years and people still buying it. Think about it. Let it sink in your head a bit. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.